A guy named Arjun had a stupid habit. Every time something went wrong in his life, exams, relationships, business ideas, he did the same thing. He restarted. Study plan fails. Okay, start again tomorrow. Gym consistency gone? Start Monday. Business loss? Take a break, reset. He thought restarting was discipline. One day his old phone stopped working. Black screen dead. He panicked. His whole life was inside it. Contacts, notes, passwords, reminders, his neat schedule, everything. He took it to a repair guy. The repair guy opened it, pressed something, replaced a tiny connector, closed it again. The phone instantly came back to life. Arjun said, "Bro, I thought it was dead. I was ready to buy a new one." The repair guy shrugged. Why restart or replace something that just needs one small fix? That line hit him harder than any motivational speech, because that's exactly what he did with his life. Every time he messed up, instead of fixing the one small thing, he reset the entire system. He didn't need a new plan. He didn't need a Monday. He didn't need a New Year resolution. He needed one thing: identify the one broken connector. Fix that. So he tried something new. Instead of restarting his study plan, he fixed the one thing ruining it, scrolling till 2 a.m. Instead of restarting gym, he fixed the one thing blocking it, leaving home late. Instead of restarting his business idea, he fixed the one thing killing it, no tracking of numbers. And suddenly his life didn't feel like a loop, it felt like progress. Because the truth is simple: people don't fail because they're weak. They fail because they keep restarting instead of repairing. A restart looks clean, a repair looks messy. But a repair is what actually moves life forward. Next time you feel like starting over, ask yourself, what's the one broken connector I'm ignoring? Fix that, and you won't need a restart ever again.